Welcome to sunny England. Being sarcastic, but that's about as sunny as it gets. Got a manhole at a property here, which is full. Besides the fact that it's falling apart, it's blocked. Oh, well, I said it was full, but it's not. So I'm going to take you on a long, boring walk here, but I have to show you the walk because it's going to give you an idea of the layout. So van's just filling up, but we're not actually going to jet that manhole that I was at now. So I'm going to keep going. Nice car. If you're a car guy, you're going to love that. But basically, there's that house and that house. So hang on. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, all owned by one person, right? 1 and 2 go into a septic tank, which is in the back down there. 3 and 4 go into their own septic tank, which is in the back down there. So this is, we were just behind that house. We're now going to go behind this house. I'll give you an idea of what's going on here. So as you can see, spicy, got some corn, got everything we're looking for, right? From this manhole, so we were just on the other side of that wall over there. When I first started the video, we were standing there because there's a manhole. I'll show you over the wall. We're at that manhole over there. It runs from that manhole there along towards us under this wall and joins up to this manhole, which is over here. From here it runs diagonal towards there behind this wall over here. So we'll walk back around. We got to go through this fence. You can't really see it so well on the camera, but there's a rubbish fence over here. Then we do a U-turn, we go back on ourselves. So there's the manhole we were just at, which runs diagonal through across to this manhole here. Which is there. And from there it goes to the septic tank, which is here. This is my theory, at least. I don't know 100%. It could go from there, from that manhole, straight to the septic tank. But I don't see what the point of that manhole would be. But then again, this property is ancient. It was used as a wireless station in World War II. So it is old. So I'm guessing that's in use. I mean, that's everything I've just explained from this manhole here onwards is theory. I'm guessing, you know. In plumbing you never know. So I'm gonna go get the water jet full, and then I'll see you guys once that's done. Okay, so just to catch up, I've moved the van, which was filling up there. I've put it here. Water jet is obviously going down. We're going to jet that manhole down towards that manhole, so like that. So start up the water jet. Let's go, girls. I'm going out tonight. Shania, Twain, don't even get me started. Let's go. Oof. Smelling fresh. Don't know what they've been eating. They don't smell healthy. Don't even know if it goes to that manhole, but I'm sure we'll find out. I've gone down quite far now. I think I would have expected to hear something at that. Oh! Whoa! I'm gonna let this drop in and I'm gonna run. Oh! There he goes. You can hear it at the manhole on the other side of the wall. Let's go quick. Boom. I want to see it flying. So there's the jet. Okay, sweet. So it's going, but looks like there might still be a bit of stuff backed up in the pipe. So I'm going to go back, put the water jet back on, put the jet back on, pull the hose back out, see what's happening. We can wash all this down, so that's not a problem. Got some wet wipes in there, or whatever that is. Okay, so I suspect the blockage to be gone, so whatever was blocking it is no longer blocking it. We need to hose this manhole down though. We need to be careful here, because if this thing comes out, I got problems. And obviously there's only 3 meters of blue hose, so we're right on the end here. Gonna let that go. I'm gonna shut the hose off. It's just pulling itself in now. You can see this hose is powerful as hell. So all I do is hold it or let it go. It just wants to go in. So there's a lot of power behind the hose. Like most water jets I see on YouTube, they're not like this. This one is mad. Also, this is a thicker hose than I've seen 1 or 2 others using this one. There's 1 or 2 YouTubers out there that are using these hoses like this, but most of them, like especially in Australia, they're using the thin hoses. So we can see how much waste is actually built up here. I'll try to show you. You can see there's quite a lot of waste in here, which we'll hose down and wash down. So all we do is pull this nozzle off, and then I'll get you back on here when I've got this done. So I've got the machine on idle so I can hose this down. put that in there. We'll turn it up. Just want to see how it's flowing at the manhole on the other side of the wall. So it's filling up here at this one now. So the blockage has obviously just gone from there to here. So we'll have to put the jet down here as well. Oh, there you go. The weight of the water's pushed it down. That's cool. It's about 7 o'clock at night here now, and I have one more to get to still. One more blockage to get to. If there's not too many people around, I'll film it, and then yeah, it might be a cool one. Apparently it's just the toilet that's rising, so yeah, but I'm actually glad that went down. So what happens sometime is I'm obviously got the hose in there just flushing the line now with no nozzle on it. This filled up, the weight of the water pushed the blockage from there down, and now we're kind of good to go. So just have a look on that then, see what's going on, and then we'll be done. Okay, so that's looking good. I'll get the house on that side there to flush their toilets and everything, and then we'll be good. Man, I feel like a woman. Let's go next door, see what's happening. Pop this closed. Okay, sweet. Okay, cool, much better. Got a bit of waste stuck behind here, but we'll flush the toilet and then we'll be good. But anyway, I'm going to pack up here. One more to do, and then I'll see you guys again.